to do nail care. The indication of this is to prevent infection, bacteria, and fungi, to maintain the skin integrity and hygiene, and for patients to remove the dry skin of the patient and to improve blood circulation. First, we'll sequence done. Now I have here a basin with warm water. So test the temperature using the wrist. Test the temperature. Then the temperature is okay. So assist patient's hand. So within 5 to 15 minutes. Then while waiting, clean the materials. So get cotton balls.
Then they'll brush the
Put alcohol.
base.
Using cotton ball with alcohol to clean the materials.
Next is aside first. Next is that cleaning the cover of the patient. Okay, at the back of the patient.
Then discard.
So erase that.
The patient is done with soaking his or her hand. Then put aside. Let dry.
Then the nearest knee.
Then using the stick to clean to remove the dirt. So I'm going to clean the undernails in each finger. Then put. Now using nail cutter to remove the excess nail in each finger. Excess nail. Set aside. Using the filer to level the nails.
Inferior, superior, long-term stroke, circular.
Soak another 5 to 15 minutes. So while waiting, clean the materials. Get another cotton ball with alcohol.
Once we soak,
Stick and the filer.
superior,
Lastly, the nail. Then discard. Then remove the patient's hand. Put it in the dry towel. Then pat dry.
circular stroke.
Then ask the patient his or her preference. Sir, do you want lotion or moisturizer? So the patient's preference is lotion. So as is, this is lotion. Remove soil gloves.
Superior, low-term stroke, circular stroke, circular stroke.
As is, this is lotion. So put lotion.
Local area.
Then put in the patient's hand. Same sequence. Then do the same sequence at the other side of the hand. And now I'm done with the nail care. Documentation, date and time, the skin characteristics, patient's reaction, and before and after vital signs.
Circular
So
stroke,
that's
circular stroke. Pay attention